just like the markets, sometimes we got to ride the wave. What is going on, everyone? Jeremy Hritz here. Courage pays better than fear trading. Happy Practice Friday to all of you out there in this beautiful world. It is a gorgeous day out here today. I am not in front of the charts right now, and I haven't been all morning because I was with my daughter at her school for a little end of the year celebration, which was awesome to get to spend that time with her. And then I just got a call that my youngest is sick, so I'm going to pick him up from school. So sometimes life throws you a pitch different from what you expected, and you just got to find a way to get your swing in and get that base hit. So Dad is going to pick him up and take care of him, and so I wanted to just drop a little episode of Driven here for everyone. Hope you guys are doing well out there, and the market is up. At the time that I hopped on here, up at about 35 points on the SPX. There is news out there, I don't know if it's true or not, that a deal has been reached by Iran and the United States, and that it's just waiting on final approval from President Trump to finalize everything. Now, whether or not that's true, we have no way of knowing, but that is what is being reported. That's why we're seeing a little bit of a spike, and let's see if it holds. And you have to wonder at this point, has this truce, has this deal been priced into the market? And once it is finalized and made official, do we sell off a buy the rumor, sell the news type of approach? It's something to just keep in mind, because it very well could happen. Because regardless of what the headlines are or what's happening, the market just is continuing to go up. So, and what else did we have today? We got data that came in, GDP, we got PCE. PCE came in a touch lighter than what the expectation was. The GDP numbers were not as promising as what was expected, nor was personal income and personal spending, but decent enough across the board not to be an issue to worry about for the markets. So we're seeing some positivity out there today in the way that we are moving. And again, this bull market is intact. The risks are still out there. The headwinds are still out there in terms of the geopolitical conflict, the risks to inflation going higher because oil prices, energy prices are moving up. But the market just continues to shrug and believe that everything is going to be okay. And there's other things to keep in mind too. I was thinking about this earlier this morning, that the pattern day trading rule that they're eliminating, that hasn't even taken effect yet. That's going to take effect, I believe, next month in June. And so there's that component, that liquidity that has not yet been factored into the market. There's, the biggest IPO in history, SpaceX, that's going to be hitting the market June 12th. I'm in the process of making that video now, so that is coming. So there are lots and lots of tailwinds in addition to the headwinds. So right now it's the tailwinds that are leading the charge, that are winning along the way. And who knows, it might be something that comes out of nowhere that derails everything, and something that we haven't heard in quite some time. And I'll bring it up here, and maybe this is the next thing that sends us down, because we haven't heard about it much, is the AI bubble. AI's overhyped. It's being overdone. There's overinvestment. There's too much CapEx spend, and that it's not going to generate the profits. Although I think right now the run that we're seeing is a result of profits being made from AI. We're seeing some of that, but it's funny how the narratives come up at the most opportune times whenever things are near extreme technical levels, and we're there when it comes to semiconductors, when it comes to the AI stocks. Just be on notice, pay attention to see if something like that comes out, and let's see if we can get some broadening of this rally. Let's see things turn into some of these beat up sectors. Software still lagging, right? Financials, can we get some push there? And crypto, Bitcoin still cannot get moving. Hit 72,000 earlier today. So not sure what's happening in that space, but it's an overview of where we are right now. Wanted to share that with you guys here as I get ready to go get my little guy and make sure he's okay. So that's what I got for you today here on this episode of Driven. Again, I hope you are having a magnificent day. Don't forget that I have a free swing trading class coming up here soon. Details are coming. It's the Sultans of Swing Trading. Very excited about that. Don't forget to check out your free copy of the Courage Letter. You can sign up for. The link is in the description below. And that's my bi-monthly newsletter that I do where I share my thoughts on things in the market, swing trade ideas. Again, you can find that in the description. And as always, as I like to close out these episodes of Driven, make it a great day, honor the moment, and most importantly, be grateful. Take care, everyone.